what happens if Z acquires 1 by 5th share of X? I repeat, 1 by 5th share of X and 1 by 6th share of Y. In early two cases, we studied what happens if he acquires 1 by 5th share from X. Now, in the case, it is described 1 by 5th share of X. The term from and of have different meanings. So, you have to be very careful whether the question it is given from or of. Okay, I will show you by one example. 1 by 5th share from X means you are getting only the total 1 by 5. From the total share you are getting only 1 by 5. That means X is sacrificing only 1 by 5 shares. Sacrificing 1 by 5 shares. Direct meaning. This is a direct. Okay. But if the question is given 1 by 5th share of X means you have to calculate 1 by 5th share of X. X is having 5 by 10 shares. X is having 5 by 10 shares. You have to calculate 1 by 5th share of X. That means you have to calculate 1 by 5 of X. That means 1 by 5 means 5 by 50 or 1 by 10. Okay. This is the 1 by 5th share of X. I repeat, 1 by 5th share of X means you have to calculate 1 by 5th of X. That means 5 by 10 into 1 by 5. You will get 5 by 50, or else if you divide it, you will get 1 by 10. Okay, so here X sacrifices 1 by 10 of the total shares. 1 by 5th share of X means 1 by 10 of the total share. Here the sacrificed share of X is 1 by 10. Okay, so you have to be very careful. If the question asks 1 by 5th share of X, you have to calculate the 1 by 5 of X, that is 1 by 10. Okay, so the sacrificing share of X here is 1 by 10. Okay, similarly you can calculate the 1 by 6th share of Y. 1 by 6th share of Y means Y earlier had 3 by 10 shares. You have to calculate 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means into 1 by 6. Okay, that means equal to 1 by 20. So the sacrificing share of Y is 1 by 20. Since it is sacrificing, we have to make it in a bracket. And so we have to calculate the gaining share of Z. Z got 1 by 10 shares from X and 1 by 20 shares from Y. That means he totally got, we have to make the denominator the same, 2 plus 1 by 20, that is 3 by 20 shares. Okay, he totally got 3 by 20 shares from X and Y. So, when 1 by 5th share of X and 1 by 6th share of Y is given, we have to calculate that like this. Okay, this is a sacrificed share or gaining share of X, Y and Z. Now we have to calculate the new share. New share means earlier he had 5 by 10. Now he is only having, he sacrificed 1 by 10. Remaining is 4 by 10. Okay. Then in the case of Y, earlier had 3 by 10. He sacrificed 1 by 20. That means his new share is 5 by 20. Okay, and Z in the case of Z earlier had 2 by 10 plus he gained 3 by 20. Now he will get 7 by 20. His new share is 7 by 20. Okay. To calculate the new ratio, we have to make the denominators of all the three partners same. Okay. So new ratio will be here. The denominator is 10. X for x it is 10. So we have to multiply it by 2. Numerator and denominator by 2. It becomes 8 by 20. Okay, so the share of A is x is 8 by 20, y is 5 by 20, and z is 7 by 20. So the new ratio is 8 is to 5 is to 7. Okay, and sacrificing share. Who are the partners who sacrifice? X and Y are the partners who sacrifice their share. Okay, X share of sacrificing was 1 by 10, and Y's share of sacrificing was 1 by 20. We have to make the denominator same. So 2 by 20. 2 by 20 and 1 by 20. Then we have to just remove the denominator. So the ratio is 2 is to 1. Okay, so this is the sacrifice ratio between X and Y. Then there is, since there is only one partner gaining, his share is 7 by 20. His share is 3 by 20. So this is how we can calculate new ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. If the question is asked, if he acquires 1 by 5th share of X, okay, and 1 by 6th share of Y, okay.